Relocating to Orlando, this home makes the move feel a whole lot easier with space, comfort, and a fresh start. This is a next-gen home, which means you get two homes under one roof. Located in the beautiful community of Laureate Park in Lake Nona, you get to enjoy a resort-style community pool, tennis courts, parks, and walking trails. The life and the culture here are pretty amazing. We are one of the fastest growing communities in the US, with plenty of retail, restaurants, medical centers, and hospitals. The main home features a remarkable floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all beautifully designed with lots of natural light. Need room for family or guests? The apartment above the garage gives you plenty of privacy. Come on, let's take a look. This apartment features a full kitchen with an aisle, a family room, and your private bedroom suite. Thank you for joining me on the tour of this special home, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be the first one to be notified when a new home comes on the market. Until the next time.